Hello dear student, in this video lecture we are going to discuss some of the questions from basic ICT skill. These are all previous year board exam questions that are being asked in your either in sample question paper or in board exam final paper. So this basic ICT skill comes under the employability skill part of your skill subject, and we are discussing it in context of artificial intelligence. My name is Deep Narayan Singh. Let us move to the questions ahead. So first question, it says, which of the following function is not performed using mouse? You can perform hover, you can also do right click or left click, you can do drag and drop, you can point using mouse, but you cannot turn on using mouse. So the correct answer is what? Turn on. Let us go for the next question. What should you do to ensure online transaction? Ensure secure online transaction. So how can we secure online transaction? First thing you need to keep in mind, you have to give your financial or credit card details only on the safe website. So how can you ensure the website is safe? If it is having HTTPS in its URL, or you can see a lock sign over there in the search bar of your browser that says it is having HTTPS. You should not select lock your computer, use antivirus, do not use pirated software. So the most appropriate option for correct option for this particular question is give credit card or bank detail only on safe website. Let us go for the question number third. Physical part of the computer is called hardware. So there are two type of parts in a computer, like hardware or software. So software is a soul and hardware is a part which you can touch. So these are the tangible part. There are two words which are used, like tangible and intangible. So hardware is tangible part, intangible part is what? Software. You can feel a software, but you cannot touch a software. So software is not a physical part. Let us go for the question number fourth. Deleted files and folders are stored in, they all are stored inside recycle bin, not in my computer or control panel, none of these. So the correct answer is what? Recycle bin. Recycle bin is a folder that is available on your desktop. So whenever you delete a file normally, it will go to the recycle bin. If you delete a file using shift plus delete, then it is going to be deleted permanently. It will not be stored inside your recycle bin. So there is no way you can get it again. Let us go for the question number fifth. Write the full form of GUI. The full form of GUI is graphical user interface. You have like one more full form like this only, CLI, that is called command line interface. So a computer can work in both mode, that is graphical user interface, while you have the Windows where close button or like interface of your Windows operating system is what? Graphical user interface. But if you open a command prompt and you are writing command to do your job, that is called what? CLI, command line interface. Let us go for the question number 6. Give any one use of the antivirus in computer. Antivirus softwares are installed to protect our data from fraud or getting corrupted or infected by a malicious software. So any software like virus, trojan, bombs, they are having malicious intention to harm the data present inside the computer, corrupt it. So to avoid this, we use the software called antivirus. Okay, let us go to the next question. To remove the files from temporary folder, we type in run dialog box after pressing Windows button plus R on the keyboard. So whenever you press Windows button plus R, a run dialog box will open. In run dialog box, whatever you will type, that is temp, it is going to open a folder which is having like temp inside its name, and the temporary folder has temp inside it. So that folder contain all the temporary files generated by different program installed on your computer. So these files are not of any use. You have to delete them on time to time so that you can increase the speed of your system. Let us go for the next question. An operating system enables multiple users to work on the same computer at different times or simultaneously. That is called multi-programming, multi-processor, multi-user, or multitasking. So the correct answer is what? Multi-user operating system, as more than one user are working on it at different times or simultaneously. Let us go for the next question. Which of the following trap children into inappropriate relations online? that is called what? Online predators. So these type of people you have not met physically, but these people show themselves as a friends or a very good person online, and whenever you fall in trap of those people, they have the malicious intention or wrong intention to harm you. So on any social media site, if you are making friends, remember guys, do not make a person friend in your social media if you have not met them physically. Avoid doing friendship with such people to whom you do not know offline or in your real life. Let us go for question number 10. Which of the following shortcut key used for the pasting the file? So for pasting, it is Control V. Like copying is what? Control C. And for cut, Control X is there. For print, Control P is there. Which of the following is an example of mobile operating system? So iOS is the correct answer. That is for mobile operating system. Like that, Android is also for mobile operating is a mobile operating system developed by Google. Let us go for the next question. By default, Windows has a picture on desktop background. What that picture is called? That picture is called what? Wallpaper. So you have to keep that word in mind, wallpaper. The Windows by default have one picture in its background, and fun fact about that picture is it is a most viewed picture in the world. Okay, so let us go for the next question. Which button is used to reduce the window to a small icon on the taskbar? There is a button called minimize button that is used to reduce the window into icon on the taskbar, which is on the bottom of your screen. Let us go for question number 14. Can be used to select the entire document? So this is called what? Control plus A is a command that is used to select the entire document. Let us go for the next question. ICT stands for International Communication Technology? No. Information Communication Technology? Yes. This is the correct answer. So we are not going to read further. This is our correct answer. Things we need a mouse for. So what you can do using mouse? Hover you can do, point and click. Turn on you cannot do using mouse. Typing you cannot do using mouse. Roll over you can do using mouse. Drag and drop also can be done. Double click on can be done. Typing cannot be done. Drag and drop is allowed. Hover is allowed. Turn on is not allowed. Like hover, point and click is allowed. Okay. Drag and drop is allowed. Left click, right click is allowed. Double click is also allowed. When you click 2 times left button of mouse in a row, that is called what? Double click. If you hover your mouse pointer over the screen, that is called hovering. Okay. So next is point. Whenever you are putting your particular mouse cursor on any point on the screen, that is called pointing. And if one time left click button is pressed, that is called click or left click. Let us go for the next question. Shortcut key to open a find dialog box. The correct answer is Control F. Control plus V is for paste. Control plus Z is for undo. Ravi learned that if the laptop gets overheated, the internal part get damaged. What happens if he leave his device plugged even after it has been charged to 100%? The correct answer is it can break. No. It can stop functioning. No. It can overheat. Okay. Data can get corrupted. So the correct answer is what? It can overheat. Let us go for the next question. What is the term used when you quickly click on left mouse button twice? That is called what? Double clicking. Which one of the following is a shortcut key used for redo? So we have a particular combination with Control plus Y, that is for redo. Control plus Z is for undo. Control V plus paste. Okay, an image file usually have the extension of img. Okay, so image file usually have which extension? img. Let us move ahead to the next question. Name the operating system developed by Microsoft. We all know Microsoft Windows is an operating system that is developed by company Microsoft, and Mac is an operating system developed by Apple. Linux and Unix is also operating system developed by community. Okay, disk operating system is DOS is also operating system that is came first in 1995 or 98. So disk operating system is a predecessor to the Windows. An operating system is a software that serves as an interface between user and computer. You directly do not give commands to the computer. In there between, what operating system sits in between. Here is the user of the computer, and they will give command to OS in turn give command to the computer hardware. So it can act as a interface between computer and user. All the commands which user want to give to the computer will be passed through the OS, and response from the computer will be passed through OS and presented to the user. So OS will act as an interface between user and computer. Using which of the following can change the setting? Search box, recycle bin, control panel and taskbar. The correct answer is what? Control panel can be used to change the settings. Which of the following is a valid file extension for Notepad? Notepad valid file extension is what? .txt. It is not .text. So Notepad, the valid extension for Notepad file is what? .txt. Let us go for the question number 26. Which one of the following not a computer hardware? RAM is a computer hardware, that is called random access memory. Keyboard, all of you have seen. MS Paint is a software in which you just paint or just do some image editing. Monitor is also a hardware. So the correct answer is what? MS Paint, which is not a hardware. BIOS stand for basic input output of system. Correct. Basic input output system is the full form of BIOS. That's it in this video, guys. Very powerful statement. Read it again. Arise, awake and stop not until the goal is reached, by Swami Vivekanand. I hope all of you are doing very well. Thank you very much for patiently listening this lecture, and if these lectures are helping in your studies, please do like, share and subscribe this channel. I am going to upload some more videos related to it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.